how to add value to your commercial real estate. These are some tips we're putting together, 6 in total. This is number 1. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're trying to give some tips to current commercial real estate owners to help them improve the value of their commercial real estate. Just something to think about. So number 1, ask your tenants. This is something that a lot of landlords don't want to do. Don't want to bring it up because you're afraid of what they might ask you to fix, or you're afraid they're going to complain, or you're afraid they're going to be mad, or they're going to ask for less rent. All of that can happen, and all of that may happen if you have a conversation, but I still recommend at least once a year, if not quarterly, checking in with your tenants and just saying, hey, wanted to check in. Is there anything about the building that we could improve? I'm not promising that I can afford to do everything that you would like, but I'd just like to know if there's anything that would help you or make this building better for you. That is going to go a long way with your tenants because it shows that you care. There's a little pride of ownership. You're not just a zombie owner that, cashes their check and doesn't respond every time they email you with any kind of concern. But also builds rapport. When it comes time to renegotiate that rent, they're going to feel like they're negotiating with somebody that they have a relationship with versus someone just on the other side of a computer that they've never met and never talked to. If you take their feedback into consideration, it's going to make them a little more loyal to you and a little more loyal to your building. The key is to not go in and say, here, make a list of things that I don't need to do, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to pay for all of it and don't worry about it. It's information seeking. It's fact finding. You're trying to get some information of what they would like to see you repair or improve. You can look at a building and think, I really think we should repair this. And then you talk to 3 or 4 of your tenants and none of them bring it up, but they all bring up something else. Obviously, at the end of the day, it's really important that your tenants like your building, and it's really important that other tenants like your building. So it's good to get that free feedback from your current tenants about what you could do to make your building better. So it can be a little uncomfortable. You won't always like the answers, but I do recommend asking your tenants what you can do to improve the building and using that as a starting point when you're considering improvements and repairs. Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, this is Commercial Real Estate Explained. We help people make informed decisions about commercial real estate. This is a series to help building owners add value to their commercial real estate. So that was video number 1. Check out number 2.